There, got my double lines ran here. The bow line. I'm about to run doubles to the stern.
Hey, I heard you want to leave this place where we grew up. This old town, just put it all behind.
Here we go. I got one debris here. We're already boarding up here. Getting ready to board up this other office. There, got my double lines ran here. The bow line. I'm about to run doubles to the stern. All my windage is gone. Everything. So we're about maybe a mile from the entrance, maybe 2 miles to the Gulf of Mexico. And Milton is making a beeline right for here. So hopefully my home is here when I get back. I don't know what to think or do or how to explain what I'm going through right now, but everything I worked for is right here. Looks like we're going to go through another one, round 2. Does it look like we need another one? Let's look at the street. Let's see here. Well, I'm going to be doing laundry before well, let's look. It's going to be a Cat 4 when it hits us so far, but it'll be late tonight, early Thursday morning. So I want to make sure I got clean clothes for just in case, and we'll see what happens. Well, I just rode out Hurricane Milton in Seminole, Florida. I'm about 5 miles east of Madeira Beach, which is the next beach north of St. Pete Beach. It brushed us hard. People are out here cleaning up. I don't know if you can see debris in the road. I think a couple of trees fell down on a few houses. But we made it. This whole area has no power. None. Seminole, we have no power. Last night we had power until I seen and heard a blue flash. Bzzz. As soon as it hit, power's gone. I'm alive. Looks like a bomb went off out here. The whole neighborhood has no electricity. That's where I stayed. Everyone's cleaning up. Now you hear generators. But I made it. How bad do you want Pepsis? It's rats. Oh, look at this.
Holy shit, the freaking power line snapped off.
Yeah.
The pole, I mean. Oh, that's what our trailer was for.
You can do a lot of these. This is sad. This is my home, bro.